Welcome, today I am with VIVO Y72 5G and we are going to make the speaker sound quality test, so I'll play this song on the YouTube at the highest quality. Let's start. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speakers sound, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.